So guys, for the first method, you want to find your video file, try to place it into a different drive. Or if you have it in your USB drive, place it onto your computer and then try to play the video. See if that works. So for example, if I have my video file right here, which is on my C drive on my desktop, I'm going to move it to my D drive and I'm going to try play it in there. See if that works for you. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer options. Click on it. And now once we're on this, we're going to go to view. And now we're going to scroll down. It's going to be saying hide extensions for known file types. Make sure that you have this unticked. You want to untick this box and then click on OK. Now you want to find your video file. You want to right click on it and then click on show more options and then click on rename. We're going to replace the video file format. So right now my video is .mp4. I'm going to delete this and type in .avi. So I'm going to keep the name the same, but at the end I'm going to type in .avi and then click on enter. And then click on yes. Try playing your video now. You can open it with VLC or anything else that you have here. See if that works for you. And you could also try switching to MP4 if it's not on that already. Or you could just switch back to where you were on previously. So you can change it to something and then switch back to the previous one. See if that works. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once we're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this will now fix your problem. If not, just try to re-download the video or just get a copy of it from somewhere else.